Hi, namaste everyone. Today we are learning to make this beautiful rose flower hair clip. We will learn all the process from the beginning to end, how to crochet this beautiful rose flower and how to attach this clip to the flower. To make the rose flower hair clip, we need a color yarn, any color you want to make a rose, and green color yarn for the leaf. I'm taking this 4-ply acrylic yarn for the rose and the leaf. We need one needle, one scissor, one alligator clip and 2.5 mm crochet hook. We also need glue or glue gun to attach the alligator clip to the rose flower. First, make a slip knot and chain 39. This is our 39 chain. Now let's single crochet on the each of these 39 chain. Chain 1, this is the 40 chain. Skip the first chain and start the single crochet from the second chain. Like this, complete the single crochet till the end of the chain. Here is our 39 single crochet. Now chain 6 and turn your work. One double crochet in the very first chain. This is one V stitch we just made. Skip the 2 chain and make one double crochet in the third one. Chain 3 and one double crochet in the same chain. Skip the 2 chain and make one double crochet in the third chain. 3 chain and make one double crochet in the same chain to form the V stitch. Like this, we'll complete the process till the last chain or single stitch. We finished our row making V stitches. Now turn your work, chain 1, turn your work. Now we are making petals here. We already took chain 1. Now we are going to making double crochet like this. We will make 5 double crochet in the very first V chain or V space. This is our first petal. One single crochet in between the 2 petals or this space. From this we will crochet 7 double crochet in each V space. Seven single crochet in this space. We will leave 1, 2, 3 and 4 V space from the last, and we will have 7 double crochet in each V space till here. We reach here and we only have 4 V space remaining, so we are joining green yarn and we will be making leaf here. Let's join the yarn. We will take this pink yarn together while we making leaf, hiding the yarn under the leaf because we need this later. We just join the green yarn. Let's make one single crochet in the V space where we're gonna make leaf. Tight pulling the pink yarn, take these two yarn all together. Now make one single crochet, one half double crochet, two double crochet. Make one triple crochet here, another triple crochet, make one picot, 3 chain and slip stitch. This will gives the leaf shape. Again one triple crochet. Now another triple crochet, one double crochet in the same space, one more double crochet in the same space, one half double crochet in the same space, one single crochet in the same space. Our one leaf is ready. Now make another leaf in this V stitch. Make one single stitch in the between and one half double crochet here, one half double crochet, two double crochet, one triple crochet, another triple crochet, 3 chain, slip stitch, 2 more triple crochet, two double crochet in the same space, one half double crochet in the same space, one single crochet in the same space. We had 2 leaf. We will make one more leaf here and I'll see you there. So here is our 3 leaves. Now we will secure the leaves and cut the yarn. We will hide this later. Now we will take the pink yarn which we were carrying all the through making the leaves. So we will take this yarn now and slip stitch here and one double crochet here. We will make 1 rose petals in this V space. We will have 9 double crochet here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Make 3 chain, slip stitch here, make 1 more chain, tight the yarn and cut, leaving a long tail. We need to sew it. That's it. Now we will assemble all the petals in the leaves and we will make one beautiful rose. Roll it, like this. This will be our center part of the rose. Turn the rose upside down. Don't care about this part, just focus on this part. Make it even while rolling it. Here it is, so nice and beautiful. Our cute little rose is ready. Now let's attach to the alligator clip this clip. Wrap the yarn this upper part where you can see the teeth of the alligator. So let's wrap few round. Let's make a knot. We don't need this part very neat and clean because this is gonna be hidden anyway. Let's use the glue. Let it dry a little bit. Our beautiful alligator hair clip. This is very easy and very beautiful and elegant. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe for such tutorials in future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.